Yes, Kirti. So, Kirti, you are from Billapatti.
Yes.
Yes. So, what is
I was born there.
you have born over there? Okay. So, what is the meaning? What is the meaning of this particular term, Billapatti?
Sir, there is a famous Lodi song which is generally sung during the Lodi festival in Punjab. So it is basically it was one of the brothers and the kings who was getting married. So the village was named after him. You must have heard Billa Patti Wala.
Okay.
Oh, yes,
You are aware of that?
yes.
Okay. Okay. Good. So, Kirti, I am looking that you have done your 12th with 95%.
Yes, sir.
It's amazing.
Thank you.
Subsequently, you have done BA honors with 73% with LLB 63. So why you have not gone in BA LLB integrated course?
Sir, I had enrolled in BA LLB integrated course itself, but in my third year, I decided that I would move to Campus Law Center, University of Delhi. So I dropped my 5 year law college in the third year, took my 3 year degree from there as an undergraduation, and then I joined LLB at Campus Law Center after clearing the entrance exam for the same.
Okay. So you have done LLM also, right? What is the specialization?
So in Delhi University, there is no specialization as such. But in the topic that we submit our dissertation, that was my topic was women and child rights. It was regarding Sherenti, the violation of children's privacy rights by their own parents, and it was a comparative analysis between the jurisdictions of European Union, United States, and India.
What is the meaning of LL in the LLB and LLM?
So it is baccalaureus, Legum baccalaureus in LLB. Yes.
It is an English term or some other term?
So it is a Latin term.
Latin. Okay. Okay. So you have done LLB in 2022.
Yes.
And now we are in 2025. We are doing LLM. Had you visited courts also?
Sir, after the HP mains, I had started going to the courts on a regular basis. But apart from that, during my LLM as well, I was working on the back end, like drafting pleadings for my with my friends and all who were actively practicing.
Okay.
I have a
As,
limited quota.
okay.
That answers your question.
So as you have done, filed your dissertation in women and child rights.
Yes.
Can you please tell me that generally we presume that a person is innocent until his guilt is proved? Are you aware of any exception to this principle?
So though the exception, it cannot be termed as an exception as such, but one of the presumptions that are raised against an accused are there in the POCSO Act. If I'm able to correctly remember the sections, it is section 29 and 30 of the POCSO Act, where the burden is on the accused to prove that he did not intend to commit the act and commit the offense under the act.
So we presume in the POCSO that there is a culpable mental state.
Culpable mental state, not the guilt of the accused. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how you relate that culpable mental state with the principle of presumption of innocence?
So generally, it is the presumption of innocence which is there, but in cases of vulnerable classes of society, such as the children, which come under the POCSO Act, there the law itself supports the child, and this presumption is also a rebuttable presumption. So the ultimate right of the accused is protected. He is not presumed guilty. Rather, it is presumed that he has a culpable mental state, which he has the onus to rebut. So that how the things balances itself.
How the Juvenile Justice Act relates the offenses, that is the heinous offenses.
I'm sorry, sir, can you reframe your question?
Yeah, my question is that in the Juvenile Justice Act, there are certain categories of offenses which are there.
Right.
So how you relate Juvenile Justice Act with the concept of with the heinous offenses?
Sir, the Juvenile Justice Act itself provides the definition of the same, that any offense which is punishable for more than 7 years would be termed as a heinous offense.
Okay. So in that case, what kind of procedure is to be taken up?
Sir, in such a situation, the child has to be treated like an adult. if he falls between the age group of 16 to 18 years of age.
Is in the new criminal law we are having any new definition? Like in Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, are you aware of any new definition?
No, sir, I'm not aware.
Okay. Okay. Good. So, how many times you had visited Himachal?
Sir, I have in my conscious state, I've only been twice. As a child, I used to go to temples with my family, but I don't have any like vivid memory of that. But I have only gone twice. Once for the preliminary exam to Shimla and another for the main exam.
Are you aware where is Rekongpio?
No, sir.
Rekongpio? No?
No.
Which temples you had visited?
Sir, there is this Mata Chintapurni temple in lower part of the Himachal. I visited there.
So, Chintapurni temples fall in which district?
I think it falls in Kangra district.
Are you sure?
I am not sure, sir.
Okay.
I'll look up it.
How many police districts are there in Himachal?
So four police districts are there in Himachal.
Only 4?
Yes, sir. The last I read 4 districts, 4 police districts.
So, is the administrative district is also to be categorized as a police district?
Sir, administrative districts are 12. Those are not to be categorized as police districts. Police districts are different and administrative districts.
It is 3 or 4?
The administrative, the police districts.
Yes.
Sir, I really don't remember. I think it is 4.
Do you know where these 4 police districts are?
No, sir.
No? Okay. Okay. Just tell me, as you had visited Shimla, so any 5 special things which you have seen in Shimla?
So the wooden craft work, the cafes, I had only gotten a chance to visit those in my short visits. I have been to Jaku Temple once, and another thing would be I just visited Mall Road and all the tourist places. So yes.
Why Jaku Temple is famous for?
So Jaku Temple has a very tall statue of Lord Hanuman. So I think that could be one of the reasons that it is famous. And I really don't know, sir. I've just been there once. So
you visited without knowing its significance?
Sir, I visited it with the significance of the spirituality that place holds.
So you visited through ropeway or by walk?
No, sir. We just booked a cab and that took us there.
Are you aware about any government institute with respect to which is dedicated to the research and situated in Shimla? A very important institution.
Sir, I was aware of its name. I cannot recollect at the moment. I read about it, but I cannot recollect.
Okay. Okay. How many rivers are there in Himachal?
The main rivers, you're asking about those?
No, main rivers.
I think 3. One would be.
Are you aware about any place where a Gurudwara and a temple both are at one place and hot springs are there?
Sir, I'm aware about the Gurudwara, that is Manikaran Sahib Gurudwara, and the temple's name I cannot recall.
And on which river? On the which river it is? It is on the banks of?
I don't know.
Not in the Okay. Kirti, just tell me any subject of your interest.
Indian Evidence Act would be the one.
Can you tell me the thin line difference between the cross-examination and contradiction?
Yes, sir. Section 145 of the Indian Evidence Act clearly demarcates this difference. In cross-examination, the prosecution or the person or the lawyer does not have to put the matter before him, and he does not have to duly prove the same. But in case of contradiction, the requirement of duly proof has to be met before putting the questions in before contradicting the witness.
Okay, so for contradicting a witness, is it required to show his former statement to him?
For contradicting, yes.
Can a leading question be asked during the chief examination?
Leading questions cannot be asked during the chief examination.
In no case?
In case of hostile witness, they can be asked, but with the permission of the court.
Suppose a witness is turned hostile. Can the court rely upon the statements which is in favor of the party for whom that witness is appearing?
Yes, sir, if it goes in line with the facts of the case.
So, had you heard about the concept falsus in uno, falsus in omnibus?
Yes, sir, I have. But the same concept is not properly applicable to the Indian jurisdiction, which is a UK-based law, not thoroughly applicable.
Okay. Are you aware about any changes which took place in the new Sakshi Adhiniyam, Bharati Sakshi Adhiniyam?
Bharati Sakshi Adhiniyam. Sir, one of the main reasons, one of the main changes would be Section 6 itself, where earlier it was relevant fact only written there, but now it's relevant fact and fact in issue as well. Apart from that, the sections have been more structured, and I cannot remember the major differences, if there are any, brought in it as compared to BNSS or BNS.
Suppose a person who is about to die, he makes a dying declaration before a police officer. Thereafter, that person died. Will that statement will be relevant?
Sir, that would be a relevant statement, but its evidentiary value will comparatively be feeble as compared to the statement given to magistrate.
Why? Why?
Because
dying declaration can be given to anyone.
And dying declaration can be given to anyone, yes, sir.
So if it is given to police officer, why you are reducing the reliability of that?
It's because chances of misuse or witness cheating might be there.
So suppose you are not having any option at that time. Then you have heard that principle that dying declaration can be the sole basis of conviction if it inspires the confidence of court.
Okay.
Right? Okay.
Yes,
suppose there
I'll
is
get more about it.
Suppose there is multiple dying declaration. One is given to police officer, one is given to doctor, one is given to executive magistrate, one is given to judicial magistrate. Which is more reliable?
Sir, the one which goes with the facts of the case would be relied upon.
You will not see the authority?
Sir, in this case, if there are multiple dying declarations, then I will have to go with the one which goes with the facts and evidences of the case.
Okay, good. Just tell me, can the evidences be recorded in the absence of accused?
No, sir. That would violate his right to a fair hearing, unless his attendance is dispensed with in certain cases.
So even if the attendance is dispensed, the advocate will be there?
Yes, sir.
Is there no such exception when the evidence can be recorded in the absence of accused?
Sir, when the accused is absconding or when the accused is not aware, not, like the police has not caught him yet. So I think there the court will not
unknown accused person.
Yes, sir.
Whenever the accused is there. Okay, good. How you see plea bargaining? Do plea bargaining is actually practically it is having any significance?
Sir, I think its proper implementation would only help in its significance, but as the legal opinion goes, that it is a non-starter in India, and I kind of agree with it, because the parameters with which, because there is no it is only regarding the sentence bargaining. There is no charge bargaining. Had charge bargaining been there, or had an acquittal would been awarded to an accused, then the implementation of plea bargaining would have been in a better position, like in the US.
How many sanctioned judges are there in HP High Court?
Um, so there
Number
are
of
12.
sanctioned judges, yeah.
Number of sanctioned judges are 12, I guess. Yeah.
Are you sure?
No, sir.
Recently, two members from the bar are now elevated to the HP High Court. Are you aware of the names of them?
No, sir. I cannot recall at the moment.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Ajaita ma'am will take over, please.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Okay, Kirti. So while sir was taking your interview, you stated one point that, all the multiple dying declarations, you're going to look into that and the authority will not be really seen by you. Is this your own perception here, or is there a landmark judgment which you wanted to cite?
Ma'am, the judgment would be B versus State of Haryana, in which
Okay.
the court dealt with the concept of multiple dying declarations and held that the dying declaration, which goes with the facts of the case, would be relied upon by the court.
Okay. Are you aware about the judgment of Abhishek versus NCT of Delhi?
I cannot recall the title, ma'am, as such, but I think I must have read it during the newspaper, but I cannot surely say that if that is the same judgment I have read.
Okay, all right. You also stated that in the lower part of HP, while you was while you were giving your answer to sir. Now, when you say lower part of HP, what exactly are you implying here?
Ma'am, the districts of Una, the districts of uh, Solan, Kangra, and Shimla, like those were the districts which I could recall of.
So Kangra is basically in the lower part of Himachal, as per you?
Yes, ma'am.
So you are from Punjab. Currently, you've done your graduation and your masters, and I think you are practicing in which high court right now? The district court?
Yes, I'm practicing at my hometown itself, the Kapurthala district.
Okay, that's very nice. So you're practicing there and you want to become a judicial officer at Himachal, right? In a
Yes, ma'am.
particular state which you have just visited twice. One for your prelims, one for your mains. Why should we select you? There
Ma'am,
are other candidates who've been visiting Himachal who have a better knowledge about Himachal, which I feel you are lacking. Why should we select you?
Ma'am, what I lack in the general knowledge of a state, I make up for it in my legal acumen. And since it is a job and it is a sort of, always has been my dream job. So I don't think the place matters as much to me. But at the same time, as I already said in the beginning of the interview, that I would like to stay in a more calmer and
Punjab is also very calmer. So is Haryana, so is Rajasthan.
ma'am, the lifestyle of the people, like moving at a slower pace as compared to the people in the plainer areas, because I have been to Delhi and I have lived and seen that part of the life also. So I think, like at some point of time, a person would want to really be where he wants to. So that is one of the reasons, and
But
I
that's
think
not a reason. That's not a reason to become a judicial officer.
the reasons for becoming a judicial officer are pretty clear, ma'am. I am very disciplined. I try to keep myself up to date with the legal developments that are going on in the country. And
Who
then
is the
a sense of
who's the current Chief Justice of Himachal High Court?
Honorable Mr. Justice Gurmeet Singh Sandhawalia ji.
Okay, and he was elevated from which particular High Court?
Punjab and Haryana High Court, ma'am.
Punjab and Haryana High Court. Okay. Any specific reason for practicing at Kapurthala District Courts?
Ma'am, first, one of the main reasons would be because I've just beginning my litigation career, so I wanted to do it from a place which is comparatively more comfortable and affordable for me, and want to move directly up
Your voice is
because I
cracking.
thought that
Okay.
I have
Oh, 1 second. Let me just cross check. Is
I'm
it just
sorry.
cracking for me or is it cracking for everyone? Just give me a second.
There are glitches, man. There are.
There are glitches, right? Okay. Kirti, would you please check your internet once?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing that. I think I'll be audible now.
Yeah, yeah, you're
Am
fine.
I audible now?
Yes, you're fine. You're fine. Okay, all right. HP shares its boundary or borders with how many states?
Um, I'll take a moment to answer this, ma'am.
Yes, please.
5 Indian states.
5 Indian states. Okay. And does it share any international border?
Yes, ma'am. It shares one with China in the east.
China in the east. Okay. All right. Who's the present king of Himachal Pradesh?
Present king of Himachal Pradesh.
You want to move there?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay.
I'll read about it now.
Okay. Are there any tribes in Himachal?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you name some tribes for me?
One would be Haiti, one would be Gujars, one would be I just forgot the names, ma'am.
Okay, let's say you're selected. Okay. And you are posted in the lower part of Himachal. Will you be happy?
Yes, ma'am. I think I would see that as a job and I will do my duties diligently.
Okay, but then it does not resonate with why you really want to shift to Himachal.
But that is an aspiration, and this is something that I have to do as my duty. So I will do my duties diligently. Things, I won't be shifting or thinking that I won't be joining the job just because I don't get my desired place.
Nice, nice. Good, good. Okay, let's say meanwhile the results are awaited and the Punjab notification is out. Are you going to take that exam?
Then, if the result is pending, then I would have to at least fill the form for Punjab Judiciary examination because that would be a wiser decision on my part to make. Or I want to be hopeful, but not overly optimistic about the results.
All right. Let's say you've been selected in both the states. Pick up one state.
Himachal now.
Why?
Uh, because but honestly, I have been telling this that I really want to live a much more. I like the mountains, and I would want to settle there. I see myself there. There is no made up answer for it. Nothing. I genuinely
Okay.
want a life in mountains. That is
You want a
something.
life in mountains, Kirti, but don't you think you need to be more acquainted with the general knowledge of that particular state you want to move to?
Yes, ma'am. That is something that I would have to work upon because I've
Yeah,
been
because
preparing for law and
yes,
exams like this, so I didn't get much time for it. That is something I'll definitely do. And I think that I would
your
face
voice
as
is
well.
still
Because the
cracking.
practicality,
Hmm. The
ma'am, that the
practicality.
GK part of it, I think I will learn it more with the practical experiences that I would have by living in the state.
Well, I'm still
Through and
not.
through, I have been a student, so
Okay, Kirti, I'm still not satisfied with your answer. That's somebody who really want to move to the mountains and they've just visited the mountains, especially Himachal twice, and that too you when you're living in Kapurthala, which is very close to Himachal. So I'm not really satisfied with your answer. Give me one good reason, except this, why should we select you for Himachal Judicial Services? Apart from this.
apart from this, would definitely be the like I have already said that my legal knowledge and discipline and the diligence that I bring to the table and the sense of satisfaction that I think I would have when I'll affect these many lives of people, that is something that should make me a suitable candidate for the position of a judicial officer.
All right. Okay. So you've cleared your Himachal mains, right? Presently, you are into litigation, and previously, you also done your masters. Are you keeping all your options open?
Ma'am, I did my master's just to aid in the existing knowledge of laws, and I wanted to prepare for the judicial services. So that was a wise decision to make, because I didn't want too many gap years in my education as well. And
Correct.
I'm not. It's not like I'm keeping all the options open, but I would want a personality which is more well rounded up for the position, so that I
Okay.
have an experience of bar as well as the bench.
Nice. Good answer. Okay. Let's say, Kirti, you're selected. What change would you like to bring to the present, justice delivery system?
Mm. Ma'am, what I have observed in my limited time to the courts that I've visited, I think there are certain changes that are required on the administrative side of the judiciary, such as the e-filing should be more prompt, the more documentation should be done online so that it is beneficial for the litigants as well as the lawyers. And I don't think I can change the system, but I can make the system more efficient. But while I'll be doing my job, so that would be my whole concern. To change
Right.
the system is not in my hands.
Right, right. Good, good. There is a lot of case pendency issue that we are facing, right? How would you like to, work around this now?
Um, that is something, ma'am. I think I believe, and I would like to think that all the judges are doing their duties very diligently, and it is surely because of the number of litigations that are arising in the country. Arbitration can be sought out, mediation can be sought out, more number of judges can be appointed. Out of court settlement should be encouraged in suitable cases. So